It was a chilly start to our Monday. Several locations waking up in the 30s once again. Winds are still going to be a little bit breezy even as we take you past midnight tonight, getting into the day on Tuesday. Not as strong if you remember from last Friday, but still some gusts even as we're getting into the day tomorrow. 20 to even near 25 miles per hour that direction. Going to be coming more from the southwest as we take you throughout the day tomorrow for your Tuesday. And rain chances, I think, are going to be confined a little bit farther north as well. We'll run you through the latest data. Still notice those little red arrows coming in from the south, so more of a southerly breeze still will hold past the midnight hour getting into Tuesday morning. You do notice some rain off to our north and to our west. That's the system we'll be tracking a little bit closer getting into the day tomorrow, but still thinking the majority of that rain will be staying north and west of us. Now, if your travels do take you throughout the Upper Peninsula, especially as you're getting right there towards Tuesday afternoon into the evening, you still could run into some of that rain, and I would suspect even a few of those showers could make it as far east as the eastern Upper Peninsula. If you're south of the Mackinac Bridge, I think we've got a mostly dry Tuesday for you, getting throughout most of the morning and even right there towards the afternoon. But any rain chances are really going to be more confined a little bit farther north and even still a little bit farther west, even as we go right there past midnight, even getting into the day on Wednesday. So that's going to be the synopsis on the rain as we go throughout the next few days. Temperatures, here's a look at the latest coming in from the Climate Prediction Center. Not only for us here into northern Michigan, but most of the Midwest still does have some oranges and some reds on there. So this is comparing the temperatures to what average usually is as we're going into the first few weeks of September, highlighting we still could have those numbers just above it. So numbers are still going to be a little bit warmer, it does look like, as we are going later into this week. Let's talk temperatures out there right now. Live weather stations Mount Pleasant holding on to some mid-60s. Current number right there at 66 degrees, and seems to be a fairly common number. Also McBain checking in right there in the mid-60s at 66 as well. Temperatures past midnight tonight still going to be on the chilly side. Not as cold as where we woke up to from this morning. Farther inland, it's another run back into the 40s. Lakeshore communities still a touch cooler there in the low 50s, and areas throughout the Upper Peninsula tomorrow, you really have the best rain chance, if any at all. I think if you're south of the Mackinac Bridge, right near the tip of the mitt, still a mostly dry Tuesday. Temperatures just a little bit warmer. Upper 60s, if not some mid-70s getting into the afternoon. I think if you're south of the Mackinac Bridge, mid-70s, going to be a fairly common range for many of us. Numbers there they are into western lower, and the southwest breeze will still keep you a little bit stronger, about 10 to near even 15 miles per hour. Still on the sunrise side, still some more mid-70s taking you right there into your Tuesday afternoon. And last but not least, you still do have plenty of 70s to go around, even as we take you right there into our central counties with a good mix of sun and clouds as we go into the day tomorrow. Slightly warmer temperatures into the next 7 days. We will at least have some more 70s, if not even approach a few low 80s. Not out of the question, Adam, by Friday. Another chance for some showers by the weekend.